From scenic trails to charming towns, this guide to day trips near Krabi offers everything you need for a memorable adventure close to home.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Embark upon a serene voyage from your accommodations at Onang to Fangjie, where you will board an elegant vessel to traverse captivating coastal vistas as you proceed along the waterways. Immerse yourself in the enchanting marine life by engaging in a guided snorkeling expedition within the lustrous depths of crystal-clear waters. Upon reaching Niang Island, indulge in a delightful lunch and explore its breathtaking natural surroundings. Subsequently, transition to Paya Island for relaxation amidst pristine sands, allowing time to absorb the serene ambience and picturesque scenery. Your itinerary continues with a visit to Bango Island, followed by a leisurely cruise towards Simoan Island. To commence your culinary journey at Yaya's Thai Cookery School in Ao Nang, select fresh ingredients to embark on this gastronomic adventure. Discover the esoteric principles underpinning the creation of a flawless Thai dish, integrating vibrant hues, distinctive tastes, and aromatic spices with succulent fresh produce. Immerse yourself in the essence of authentic Thai culture by crafting authentic Thai cuisine. Embark on an educational odyssey where the art of harmonizing flavors and assembling complete dishes from scratch is meticulously taught. Experience the rich tapestry of Thai culinary traditions through our exclusive cooking workshop at Thai Charm Cooking School in Krabi. Your expert instructors lead you through an immersive learning experience, offering an authentic and comprehensive education in Thai cuisine. Choose from an extensive selection of 15 unique dishes, including signature Thai specialties such as green curry, tom yum soup, and pad Thai noodles. Gain hands-on training in essential techniques, like creating aromatic curry pastes and mastering the art of jasmine and sticky rice preparations. The early bird tour commences at 5:30 a.m., offering visitors an exclusive experience away from the bustling crowds. This tour features a serene journey to 4 picturesque islands, each enveloped in natural beauty. Parting from Railay Beach, travelers can marvel at the breathtaking view of the Andaman Sea, with Phra Anang Beach situated nearby and commanding a stunning vista. The sacred Phra Nang Cave, home to a temple dedicated to the goddess of the sea, attracts locals who offer their reverence through offerings of wooden phallic symbols or lingams within its walls. Additionally, paddleboard rentals are available for this itinerary. The described location, situated approximately halfway along the coastline between Nambak Karani and Krabi town, boasts a captivating bay teeming with mangrove vegetation. This scenic bay, renowned for its picturesque beauty, offers a serene retreat characterized by winding bays and dramatic canyons. Arriving at the privately owned pier, visitors embark upon an enchanting journey through a haven of nature's splendor. This secluded area, newly rediscovered and untouched by human habitation, presents an unparalleled opportunity to immerse oneself in a unique ecological landscape. Pickup services commence at 7:50 a.m. from either Klong Muang or Krabi Town, 8:00 a.m. Guests may board a longtail boat departing from the pier for a journey through Hong Lagoon, where they will encounter an array of limestone mountains and picturesque rock formations, ideal for boat sightseeing and photo opportunity. Upon arrival, visitors can enjoy a serene stretch of powdery sands at Hong Island, which boasts a captivating beach environment perfect for activities such as sunbathing, relaxation, photography, exploration, snorkeling, and swimming. Departure from Lo Dalem Bay leads to an unforgettable experience at Monkey Beach. Proceeding further, travelers arrive on Phai Leda can explore Viking and Trong Lu Caves. Following this, snorkeling becomes a highlight with opportunities to observe marine life in the crystal-clear waters of Pai Lagoon. Paddleboards await visitors as they enjoy relaxation and floating amidst the azure waters. Afterward, a visit to Losama Bay follows, offering scenic views reminiscent of those depicted in The Beach. The movie starring Leonardo DiCaprio, A Short Detour from Maya Bay, provides another perspective on this iconic location.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.